Waffles. I love waffles, and I'm finally having Belgian waffles in Belgium. We're here in Brussels, and I'm on a search for the best. We're here starting off at Maison d'Andouille, which is arguably one of the best spots, and it's right next to the Grand Place. So follow me inside. Bonjour. Everything good? This is it. Brussels waffles. So there's two different styles of waffles, right? It's Liege waffles and Brussels waffles, and then you can have it with lots of different things in terms of toppings.
This is the Brussels waffle.
These are Brussels?
Yes.
So a lot bigger?
Bigger and lighter. And then we have Liège, which is little and sweeter.
So these are lighter and sweeter, not as big and very small in comparison.
And we have all the toppings here. And we're gonna put the toppings on it. Chocolate.
So what's your favorite, like in terms of topping? Everything.
That's why I'm working here. I get them for free.
Oh, that looks good. So Kevin, what's the difference between the Brussels waffle and the Liege waffle?
So the Brussels is like crispy, and the Liège is sweet, and you have a piece of sugar inside.
So sugar inside and a lot smaller.
Yeah.
I think they're still a bit white, and they're perfect.
Look good, huh? Wow. These waffles look amazing.
And these are the Brussels waffles.
I love this place already. This is so good. Making my own waffles today. Brussels waffle, how do we start?
Some sugar.
Like that.
that.
Nice.
You want to put strawberries? You can put
Yeah, let's throw some strawberries. So these are like cooked strawberries. Huh? I don't want to overdo it. Let's do caramel, no?
Be careful, it's really liquid. It's gonna.
Very liquidy. Bene.
Yes, and you can put hazelnut or you can put this biscuit if you want.
Yeah, we'll try the biscuit. So this is like a biscotti, no?
Biscotto belga.
Biscotto belga. Very nice. For sure.
This is your waffle.
Wow, it looks so good.
That's it. A little bit of sugar. And ice cream. Which flavor you want?
Vanilla. I think vanilla would be the best. Vanilla, meglio, no? A little cookie.
Io divento youtuber oggi. Voila.
Oh, wow. So this is not Italian coffee, but it's still coffee, so we need it. Grazie mille.
Niente, take this because you need them.
We're gonna need it. Thank you so much. Merci. Let's go, let's go. My first Belgian waffles in Belgium. So exciting. Wow, look at this.
David, what do we have here?
Man, I am so excited. This is beautiful. The Brussels waffle. Nice and fluffy. Just dive in. It's so rich and decadent. Whoa. Caramel. I love caramel. But what's interesting is that there's no syrup here. It's either chocolate, caramel, whipped cream, and strawberries. It's light. Very airy. Amazing. Now I'm gonna try the Liege. This one's, wow. Look at that, with the ice cream just melting there. Thicker, denser, way more crispy, way sweeter, like extremely sweet. The chocolate's hot, ice cream cold. What a contrast. This is over the top, I think. Wow, this is so good. Then the Liege one takes the cake. Epic, hands down my favorite bites of the trip so far. Molto buono. What I like about the Brussels one is the whipped cream with the caramel. What I like about this one is that hot chocolate with the ice cream melted. A nice contrast. No. All that whipped cream. Un cafe. And coffee. Here we go. Not bad. So I wasn't expecting to have some gelato, some ice cream, but they just brought me the speculoos. So that's the flavor, and it has like crumbles of biscotti, almost like a cookie. I love the flavor. It's like flour inside. I'm missing my whipped cream though. It's too much. All right, let's go to the next place. Waffles, more? How many more can we eat? It's gonna be really hard to top Maison d'Andouille. Tanduy. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
I think so. Oh, what a great place. Starting to rain a little bit. Get here early to have waffles. Walk a little bit down the street and we have the Waffle Factory. And what's cool here is they also have savory waffles, so like a lunch waffle. I think that's cheese inside. Hello. Hi. Bonjour. Bonjour. This looks good. So the Waffle Factory. Hi. How's everything? So we got whipped cream, caramel, chocolate, banana, spectaculos. So this is like the staple stuff if you want to have a decadent breakfast waffle, but I think I'm going for lunch. Which one do you recommend? The quoi?
The croque waffle is the best seller.
Croque waffle. Perfect. Let's do that. Glad we came inside because it's raining like crazy outside now. Yeah, look at that.
Oh wow, yeah. Just like the outside.
So as you can see right here in the window, this is where they make the savory waffles. I didn't even know this existed, but it's basically almost like an empanada, just stuffed. Stuffed waffles. You can get it with chicken, you can get it with meat. I got croque, I don't even know what's inside. I'm sure there's cheese in it. It's nice. So savory and sweet waffles in progress. And unfortunately for us, it is raining. Hopefully this goes away by the time I'm done, because I don't have an umbrella.
There you go.
So this is the croque waffle.
I think it looks great.
It's ham and cheese. Whoa, this is good. It's amazing actually. The cheese is melted, like the nice crust. Mmm. This is real street food. Wow. Oh yeah. Mmm. So satisfying. What a day, huh? Very enjoyable. Davidsbeenhere hot sauce with a savory Belgian waffle. Mm. Oh, it's gonna be good. It's a strange combination. And spice with a savory waffle. I wouldn't say put my hot sauce on it. Just have it regular. Whoa, this is delicious. Definitely try this. You know, you can go the traditional route, get the Belgian waffles, super decadent, or go savory and have it as a snack. I'm getting full. Got one more waffle spot.
More waffle.
Waffles.
Even worse.
One more. We're actually going to a place that the waffle is shaped like a penis. Hello. How are you? Bonsoir. Ça va? All right, so this is it. So she's telling me that these aren't waffles, they're pancakes, but they look like waffles to me. I mean, they ran out though. You said you ran out. So far, the waffle's done for the day. And so how much is it for one of these?
€1 without topping,
€1 without topping?
and each topping is €1.
So no waffles, but they got pancakes shaped as penises. Crazy. What do you recommend? We get it like this with what topping?
White chocolate and some caramel for me.
White chocolate and some caramel. I'll go. And it's €1 plus toppings.
€1 is the mannequin piece. The cement and that it's 350, and with one topping it's €4. With two toppings it's €5.
Give me 2 toppings and let's make it pretty. So you can add 4 toppings for $7.50. You can also add ice cream. This is great, and it's right in front of the mannequin, the piece. Whoa, that's the sweetest penis I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, my friends, this is unreal. This is too much. So what'd you put? This is vanilla.
It's white chocolate.
The white chocolate. White chocolate and salted caramel. Oh my gosh. Most delicious penis of my life. It's a very vulgar place. The batter.
She's like, put my good profile in the video. I'm like, you're fine.
No, you're beautiful.
Yep.
Yeah. This is good stuff. The most delicious penis ever. That's it. Belgian waffle tour done.